Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make me some chili. I love me some chili. I love chicken, I love chili. Okay? So, start out with the 85% 85-15 ground beef. I got another little thing. What is this? This is the 93.7 ground beef. Ooh, this date is on here. It's May 2020, but it's been frozen. Rock solid hard. So I'm going to put this in here first. I'm going to open up this other. Cut it. Smell it. It's good. It's good, y'all. So just cause stuff say it expired, it ain't expired. And there's my pot. I also got some covers. I didn't want that because I've been eating out just about every day. But here's the meat in here. A little over 2 pounds. Cooking on the back of the stove because the baby is here. Okay. I'll be using, instead of chopping up onion and bell pepper and celery and all that, I'm going to use some chunky salsa. Everything's chopped up in here already. Plus I got the tomato sauce. You may need more. I'm using chili beans. I'm using dark red kidney beans and light red. I got 2 chili beans. Okay. I like different colored beans. Okay, I got 1 pack of chili mix, 2 packs of taco mix. They're all about the same. It's just a little more chili powder in the chili mix. Okay. And we'll put a couple squirts of what's this here sauce in it. This up. Top might fall off. You're so loud. I'm gonna turn this camera on you. This man is so loud. There he is. There he is.
There I am.
He's about to warm up his food and put a lot of seasoning on it.
Why?
Some runs your taste buds. So we'll be needing some water. Anytime you use a pack of seasoning like this, you need some kind of liquid. You use chicken broth, beef broth, a little water. Okay, I'll be using this little extra seasoning. It's the garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. I'm just getting everything ready. Make sure this ain't popped out. And this is for the pop. Did y'all hear that? Still smell it. Make sure it's fresh. Oh, this is good and fresh. Okay, I'll be back when this meat is done, and then I'll season it. I don't season the meat until after it's done. It's just me. Okay, y'all, the meat is done. And it's lean, so I don't have to drain nothing. I'm using this meat hamburger breaker upper. So I don't have no big old giant chunks of burger in my chili. I guess this can be called a tutorial, how to make good chili. Okay, I'm still breaking up the meat. And you don't want to use this until your meat is done or almost done, because if you put it in raw meat, all that raw meat is going to get stuck in these tangs, whatever you call these things. Okay, start adding my stuff. I got 3 packs. You want chili mix. If you ain't got chili mix, you can use taco mix. It's interchangeable. You're supposed to use 1 packet per pound of meat. Okay, add a little of this. Guess what else I'm gonna add? I'm gonna add some of this. This is chicken bouillon powder. It's good seasoning, y'all. Now it does have salt in it, so I'm just gonna use a teaspoon. And it will make a difference. Oh, let me show you. This is what it is. You get this from Amazon. Now you don't have to buy so much, but it's cheaper buying it like this. And when I bought it, it was really cheap. They raised the prices since I bought it. And so what's this here sauce? Worcestershire sauce. Y'all who don't know me, let me stir this up. And I'm gonna have to add water. Whenever you add the seasoning packets, you need water. That's killed. Starting to smell like chili now. Put chili powder up in here. Show y'all how it looks in there. That's how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna add the beans, juice and all. These are the dark red kidney beans. Sometimes I use light red kidney beans, dark red kidney beans. Sometimes I use black beans. And I usually use chili beans because it has the thicker sauce. I like beans. Should have saved some of that liquid. And I like chopped up onion and bell pepper and celery in my chili, but hubby don't like it. Okay, I got to get all this goodness out of these cans. There you go, this man. I don't use dehydrant water because we got very hard water. Sometimes you turn it on, it smells like chemicals. Put this salsa in here. Thick and chunky salsa. That way Everything that I would have chopped up in here is in here. Ooh. Oh wow, I can't wait to eat it. I didn't put the water in yet because I'm going to clean out this jar. It's like I clean them cans. Always keep a bag handy. My trash. Okay. I'm gonna taste it and see what it needs. Let's see if we need some spiciness to it. Need some spiciness. That's what I forgot about. I got some celery seed, not celery salt. You just need a pinch. This what I poured in here is too much. So I'm gonna put a pinch. Got some red pepper. It's crushed red pepper. You know what you put on pizza. Use that. Use some red pepper, red pepper. Okay. The cayenne. It's the powder. Just a little. Two shakes. Taste it again, see what it needs. I can't find my jollof rice seasoning, y'all. Guess that will go in here too. Oh my goodness. Okay, I want some Italian seasoning. That adds good flavor. It has oregano, all the marjoram, oregano, thyme, rosemary, savory, basil, sage. No salt. This is the Great Value brand. It doesn't have salt in it. No. It adds flavor, y'all. You wonder why my soups and chilies and stuff taste so good. Taste it one more again. Then we'll put the top on it and let it simmer. Oh, MG. Turn the fire down. I got that on for the orchid. I've been leaving the dining room light on for my orchid. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, my chili is done. Look at that. Meaty, beany, saucy, delicious. Look at that. Oh, I need a thumbnail. I like it kind of soupy. Some people make the chili thick, but I like mine kind of soupy. Look at that. I guess that's a good thumbnail. And one of my honeys blessed me with this ladle, this wooden ladle. I think it's olive wood. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm about to get my eat on. I got some cheddar cheese. And I got these Clubhouse crackers. I don't have no oyster crackers, but these will work. Look at that. This bowl is hot. Taste it for you. Oh, it's piping hot. I like it meaty, beany, saucy, and also seasoned. Don't need nothing. Okay. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And this is good comfort food. And it's like 20-something degrees here. It was freezing out today, y'all. I wish I had a bowl of this chili while I was sitting in there waiting for my car to get fixed. I think I could have sold some chili to them people in there. Okay, well, anyway, y'all be blessed. Bon appetit. Bye.